Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Thank you for being here today. I create beauty and art related content here on YouTube and on Instagram. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like and comment on this video down below. Now, today I look like a naked mole rat, but that is going to change because I am going to do my first ever palette bingo. I'm super excited. When I started my channel, I knew that I wanted to be creative with makeup and play around with the products that I already have. So we're gonna do that today. I was really inspired by Annette's Makeup Corner. She does really awesome palette bingo videos. I will link her in the description below. Yeah. Anyway, today I am doing my palette bingo with the Smitten in Switzerland BH Cosmetics palette. This palette has 16 shades, and the way palette bingo works is you number each shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth, and then you use a random number generator to pick 5 different shades, which you then create a look with. So that is what I'll be doing momentarily. My base is down. I'm going to be doing another video reviewing the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. So I have that on my face and my eyes are primed and I am ready to do this. So my first number is 7, which is Zurich, right here. This is a really pretty mauve-y pink shade. Looks like it has some blue flecks in it as well. Nice. Yeah, it definitely has some blue flecks. The next number is 12, which is... It takes me so long to count, you guys. So, number 12 is right here. The shade Glacier Express. It's kind of like a blue toned gray. So far I got 2 shimmers. Next is 11. So right next to that shade is a beautiful shimmery green called Mount Rigi. Okay, next I have 16, which is the matte black shade called Nightfall. That's nice. So that's shade number 4. I have 1 left, which is shade number 5. Okay, good. I got 1 more matte. So I got this mauve-y matte shade called Lucerne. Okay, this looks pretty cool. I think this will be fun. All right, this. Wow, could I have swatched that in a more difficult position? This is the final palette I'm working with. These are my 5 shades. So I'm gonna jump into a look real quick. I don't know about real quick. I'm gonna take a few minutes to decide what I want to do with it, and then I'll be back and I'll show you my process for creating a look. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is take that matte mauve shade called Lucerne, and I'm going to pop that in my crease. I love BH shadows. They're so smooth and blendable. Now I'm going to take that black matte shade. I'm going to do my outer V and then maybe a little bit into the crease. I want to take a more angular brush. I think I'll take this very tiny one. I have a small, little tiny, almost like a pencil brush, but more of a blending brush. And I'm gonna kind of make this a bit of a more winged out shape, slowly. Okay, I got the basic shape down. And now I want to use all those shimmery shades in here to create some kind of gradient. It's just the order of the placement I want to consider now. And I also want to consider, maybe I should put the black on the lid and then put the shimmer on top. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go with the black base to see how those shimmers lay on top. That could be interesting. Now, if you have creased eyes like me, you want to make sure that you take breaks to look straight ahead into your mirror to see what that shape looks like when you're not blinking and you're not moving your head or your eyes in any unnatural way. This is a look I would normally want to do after, or not after, excuse me, before I apply my foundation for the risk of fallout, but because I already have my foundation down, I'm just trying to be extra careful in my application so that I don't get shadow everywhere. I'm going to take that silvery shade called Glacier Express, and that will go on the outer portion of the wing. Then I will take the pink shimmery shade called Zurich and put that on the inner portion, and then I'll save that green to be like a pop of green on the inside. On the inside, on the inner corner. Let's do it. All right, my camera stopped recording. So hopefully you didn't miss much. Now I'm applying that pinky mauve shimmer shade on the inner portion of the big black wing. And what's mostly showing up are the blue flecks inside this shade, and I think it looks really cool. I hope it picks up a little bit on camera. Yeah, hopefully you can see that a little bit. It's really cool looking in my mirror, at least. Okay, now I am going in with the green as a big pop of color on the inner corner. All right, I'm gonna leave this look real top heavy and leave the lower lash line bare. I'll probably put some mascara, but I'm not gonna put any shadow. I'm going to blend out that edge one more time with the original mauve matte shade that I used in the color Lucerne. All right, that's it. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna complete the other eye off camera and then we'll finish up the look together. Here I am with the eyes done. I threw on some lashes, some mascara, and a little bit top and bottom mascara. So that's how we're looking now. I am going to put some blush on my face. Not really feeling bronzer with this look. I'm actually going to just dibble dabble between this shade Lucerne, which is the shade of my crease, and this lighter kind of peachy pink nude shade in Fondue, and I'm going to use that as my blush. At this point, I'm not sure what all I got on camera, but I'm done with the face. I have my highlighter on, my blush, my eyes, my eyelashes, my mascara. Only thing I have left to do are my lips, and I've realized that they're pretty dry, so I'm going to apply some chapstick. I should remember to finish my sentences before I start doing things, especially when it comes to the lips. So I'm applying a little bit of lip balm. I can see skin coming off my lips. That's always a joy. An absolute delight. My favorite thing. Okay. I swatched some lipstick on the back of my hand to figure out what I want to do. I definitely don't want to take any emphasis away from the eyes. I think I'm going to do, I swatched two that I really like, this like rosy mauve pink and then this nude, more nude pink. I think I'm going to go with that nude light pink. It is the shade Third Eye from ColourPop. And I think I'm going to do kind of like a blotted lip. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, everything is totally done. Eyes, lips, face. Probably notice I don't really do my brows. If I do them, I do them off camera. All I did today was brush them out with a little spoolie. So that's all I did there. But I really enjoyed this look. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. If you think it turned out nice. If you have other ideas of how you would use that color combo, I would love to know. I always think it's so fun to see how other people would do a palette bingo. So please let me know in the comments below, and I am looking forward to coming at you with some more content in the future. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Comments down below. I had a rude allergies. Rude. Take two. Bye.